All right, so I tried. I was worried. I got worried. Like, I was trying to swap my coin on Osmosis Network. I mean, Cosmos Network, that was under Osmosis DeFi. And then I was trying to swap from Atom to Stars, and it kept giving me this error message. Something like this. And I was not really reading it. But now I've realized the issue. You know, something like this: transaction failed, insufficient fund, and I was like, I have something. But now I realized that the problem is that you must have Osmosis before you can swap on their network. You must have a minimum of 0.0001 or so. So how do you now figure out, in case you have such issue, what you should do is to deposit. I'm going to show you how to actually do all these things, how to swap on Keplr Wallet. So you deposit small Osmosis and you're good to go. So what I actually do now, I'm just showing this in case you have similar issue. What I'm doing wrong is by mistake, I figured it out by mistake. I swapped the Atom to Osmosis, and now I'm trying to swap the Osmosis back to Atom because I don't intend buying Osmosis, but it's not working. It's telling me insufficient, which means I cannot swap everything. So I'll just have to reduce the amount I'm going to swap, and we'll see how that goes. They need at least 0.00 something to be there. So let me swap this. Or not yet. I actually have, okay, let me show you the process. If you want to swap anything on Keplr Wallet, what you are going to do is you come here, you come to this browser, you tap on it, you're going to see something like this. Just tap on this. If you tap on it, then you see Osmosis. Tap on Osmosis. That's the first one. If you tap on Osmosis, you see option to connect your wallet. Then you connect your wallet, and then you come here. You tap on assets. Then you're going to deposit. In case you have you have Atom, you're going to deposit. But I think if you have Osmosis, it's going to reflect. But if you have Atom, you have to deposit. So you tap on deposit, it comes in. If you don't have Osmosis, but you have Atom in your normal wallet, everything here will be 0. But when you deposit it, you'll start seeing your Atom here. So once you deposit it, then you come back here, come to swap. So you can swap once you have some Osmosis in your balance. So let me swap back to my Atom, and we'll see if it will work or not. You can see it worked. Transaction successful. All right, let's now swap. Let me now do what I've been trying to do since. I nearly ran mad. Okay, Stars. Tap on Stars. Then maximum. Oh shit. Yeah. Since I swapped to Atom, I'll have to deposit it again. Right? Because what is showing here? It's showing. So So why is it not showing here? Okay, it's not showing. It's network. So I want to now swap from atom to stars. All right, let's see if it will work now, because I believe I have some osmosis in my wallet. Swap. Successful. If you don't know, you will not know. Unless you seek to know, or if you figure it out. I've been here bombasting myself, Abby. But as well, this is it. Once you do that, you go back to your wallet, or you withdraw. Yeah, you withdraw. But you can just go back to your wallet here, search for the asset you stars. If you search for it, you click on manage, then select it to save it. Sorry, once saved, you can see it's not reflecting yet. Now it's reflecting. So but it's still inside the Osmosis network. You can actually withdraw it out. Withdraw it and disconnect your, I don't know if I can disconnect, but let's see how it goes. This is my first time doing this. So assets, go to assets. Okay, I think it withdrew by itself. It's automatically out. And no, it's not out. So it's network is messing with me. It's not out yet, but I want to withdraw it out. I'm withdrawing stars. Next. So I'm sending it out of osmosis to my Keplr. So how much am I withdrawing? I want to withdraw everything. 228.21355. Let's know if it's possible. Okay. Successful. So I think once you have osmosis in your thing, you can do any transaction successfully. So it's out of IBC, and if you go back to your wallet, you know initially it was tagged IBC. Let's see if it will still be tagged IBC. You can see it's no longer tagged IBC. I'm now in control, like personally in my wallet, not in this thing anymore, not connected to Osmosis DeFi or something like that. So I control what happens to my thing now. Alright, this is how to disconnect. You just tap here, you see below here, you tap on it, that's your profile. Then this is eject here, you tap on it, and I think that should be it. This network usually does not respond fast. Okay, it's out already. You can see it's no longer showing this, is rather showing you should connect your wallet. So my wallet is out. It's always advisable to disconnect your wallet after you are done with any DeFi app, decentralized finance app. I think that's the meaning. it's preferable to disconnect so that if there's any malformation or hacking, you won't be affected. So that's it. Just let me share my worries and how I navigated it with my problem. Maybe it could help somebody out there.